In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix text encoding in Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a document and found strange symbols, boxes, or scrambled characters where accented letters or punctuation should be, that's usually a text encoding problem. The good news is that Word has a built-in way to recover the file so the text displays correctly, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening Microsoft Word first, without opening your problematic file yet. Launching Word on its own gives you access to a more controlled way of opening a document, which is important when you're trying to correct encoding issues rather than just previewing the file. Next, go to the File menu, choose Open, and then select Browse. This takes you to the standard file picker so you can point Word to the exact document you want. Using Browse is helpful because it exposes additional open options that you won't get if you open the file directly from your desktop or recent list. Find and click the file that's displaying garbled text, but don't open it yet. This is a key moment. Selecting the file highlights it so Word knows your target, but holding off on opening keeps you in control of how Word will process the document. Look at the Open button in the bottom right corner of the dialog. There's a small arrow beside it that expands a menu with more ways to open the file. Click that little arrow to reveal the options. If the window is narrow, you might need to widen it to see the arrow clearly. From the list, choose Open and Repair. This tells Word to scan the document as it opens, correct structural issues, and reconcile encoding where possible. It's designed for damaged or misread files, and it often resolves the strange character problem that shows up when a document was created in another program, saved with a different encoding, or emailed in a format Word didn't initially interpret correctly. When the file opens, take a moment to look through key sections, headings, special symbols, punctuation, and any non-English characters. If the encoding issue was the culprit, those characters should now appear as intended. Open and Repair doesn't change your original file until you decide to save, so you can safely review the recovered text. That's all there is to it. By opening Word first, using File, Open, and Browse, selecting your file without opening it, expanding the Open button, and choosing Open and Repair, you give Word the best chance to fix scrambled text and bring your document back to a readable state.